I'm Brad DeMarco, CEO of Automation Intellect. We work with leading manufacturing organizations to help them improve their production output by providing real-time, floor-level data visualization and supporting that with a proven continuous improvement coaching system. Based on my experience with top global manufacturers, I'm going to give you 3 recommendations that the most competitive manufacturers are using right now to help improve their business. My first recommendation is get real-time visibility to your production floor by connecting your equipment and collecting the available data. You can't improve what you can't see, and most manufacturers aren't able to even see the basic production and downtime information in real time. Implement a system that will connect directly to each piece of equipment and will provide the real-time visibility, allowing you to make effective decisions. My second recommendation is to start small. Understand your company's specific challenges and then scale. Most projects that start at scale fail to deliver the results expected. This is mainly due to the organization's inability to manage the change that these systems require. Start with an individual line or machine so that you can understand what data you're going to have, what you're going to do with that data, and then most importantly, what your team will need to look like to support it. The third recommendation is to find a solution provider that you can partner with to help you achieve success. Most manufacturing organizations are not built for the flood of information that real-time data solutions can provide. A provider that partners with your team and links your success to theirs is the best way to achieve success in a digital transformation. Providers that include coaches to help your organization through the change management process will help you drive the best results. As someone who's worked in manufacturing and specifically automation for over 20 years, these are my 3 recommendations to you. Get connected and get real-time visibility. Start small, understand your challenges and then scale, and find a partner that can coach you through your digital transformation. Thank you for watching, and if we can help you improve your business, we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.